Now I'm down to 0, and it's your boy Sebastian. And we're playing GTA. So, Bella, can you please point the camera to the TV? Okay, this is what it looks like. What I'm playing as right now. So I'm going to be very careful. And I want to show you how to get through this mission. It's kind of like a tutorial in GTA 5, but different because somebody else is controlling. So be careful on the road, okay? So if these people are in your road, don't do anything. Just be over here, be innocent, be like it's an AI, be like you're an AI, and switch over to this road, and this is how you get over there. This is an easy tutorial, so if you want to do the same thing, do that. Plus, the TV remote, I actually do have that right now. I turned on the TV, then I turned on the PS4. There was only 2 buttons, so you have to press the first one that's on your left, or the second one. So all you need to do is follow the yellow thing, and then you can't drive into that car. I'm very sure that's my dad. No, it's not.
You just went through a red light.
The cops are gonna be called, but I have to back up, go to the other spot. Do not crash, okay? If you crash, the police will not be called on, but they will actually get mad. So be careful. You want to know why I'm following these cars? Because I want to be innocent. Because if I wasn't innocent, I would actually be called on the cops. And if you call on the cops, they'll actually shoot you if you kill somebody. So you have to switch over to this road. Let me give you the taste of the third person. Ooh. I crashed the car at the start of the video when I was trying to line up for it. So be careful. You can either go fast too. Stop if you want. Stop if you want. Okay, that bus is really big. So all of these people in GTA 5, I don't know if you know this. If you live under a rock, you don't know this. This actually is AI. So you can't get you can get multiplayer, but not for free. Only for money. I don't know how much it costs because I haven't played GTA 5 in a long time, so be careful. So I found this way how you can do a cool stunt. Okay, I found this cool jump that you can't go over there, not on this one, it's on your left. Then you have to break through. Bam! Is that cool? Is that cool or what? Like, is that cool or what? I need a stunt jump. So if you're not extreme like me, you're not even gonna be on a skateboard when you earn one. Be careful, go over here if you see a car if you want, but just don't hit anybody. Okay, so I asked Bella for the favor, so it's cool. So once you get to the building, you see my map? I have to go backwards now. Take a right. If you're on this mission, go look at other tutorials to see. Either you have two door options. I crash a lot, so don't get mad at me in the comments. So, oh, that's how you switch. That's how you do it. I thought I was doing it wrong. Okay, so I'm going to turn it up again. I'm going to give you the sound effects. I'm going to give you the taste of them. Okay, let's go with 10. He's good, right? Too quiet. Well, 19 or 20. I think 20 will be good. I'm going to go to 26. Sounds good.
Hey, there ain't no one around. That suits us. Come on, get up to the roof.
Oh, so that's how you go to the mission. So I was doing it all wrong at first.
Did something go wrong? Sit tight.
Nobody's up here. Last time I went like Spider-Man.
Hey, shoot.
Is there anybody up here? Let's see. Is anybody fixing the roof? Like last time I saw them, I said that's Spider-Man. Is anybody? Spider-Man? Spider-Man, are you here? Where is he? Oh, he's all the way up there. Suits me. I can be like, oh! You have to be like Spider-Man a little bit. Oh, I knocked. Okay, I have to be very careful on this part. Square. I love how you can get third person and square. Okay. You want to see something? I actually tried to break through the glass.
Just give me a minute.
Yeah, give me a minute. Jeez. Okay, you want to see something? Look at this. Okay, here's my third person. I can't widen out the screen for square. You can actually do something. I don't remember what I could do. I think it was a jump and a flip. I have to get up there to see. Square. It actually feels like it's a long way. Let's go to square. Okay, I'm up here. Square. Square. Will you let me square? And I can't get up there. Okay, so let's see. You can actually do a flip, and I don't remember where I could do it.
Hey, man, 2 seconds.
Just give me 2 seconds. I need to figure out where I'm supposed to. Why is my person up there driving? I thought that was the person up there driving. Okay, so that, you want to see something? You have to crouch. Crouch. How do you crouch? Okay, you either get a grenade, and I want to show you something. It's this. Okay, grenade. Okay, so I'm gonna get X. So you know what's gonna happen? I'm gonna blow up this glass and break out. Triangle, X. No. cops were alerted, that's what it says. If the car was destroyed, it would say that. But if your person dies, you die. It just says the person's name. So you have to die a lot. So will you go back to the...
Excuse me, exterminator.
Is anybody down here? Nobody's down here. Like my driver's going over somewhere.
Hey, there ain't no one around. That suits us. Come on, get up to the roof.
Actually, I'm gonna see where this is. What is this brings us? Triangle. X. You know what? I'm gonna use a grenade. Actually, no. I don't want to alert the cops. Wait, look at this. I'm gonna do this. X. You get out a grenade. I'm gonna climb up. Get out of this position. Okay, I'm gonna try something. What if I throw a grenade on the ground? Okay, square. Okay, you see that ground over there? X. X. Why can't I X?
Hold on.
Can X? X doesn't work. X. Square. Triangle. Circle. X doesn't work. Last time you saw X worked. Let's just see who's on the roof. Nobody's on the rooftop. Actually,
I gotta stop. My arms are hurting.
okay. So, video
Keep
and goodbye. Bye, everybody. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye.